Hi everyone, I would love if you join me as we create a cozy autumn tablescape. Okay, so first what we're going to do is take a tablecloth and then we will put the tablecloth on the table and spread it out. I purchased this tablecloth, I believe a few years ago during Halloween, and I just wanted to reuse this tablecloth. During this tutorial, I am actually reusing most of the items that I already have on hand. Okay, so next what I'm doing here is I'm adding on my leaf lights. I purchased these leaf lights at my local Dollar Tree a few years back. They are battery operated. So what I'm doing here is I am just putting them down the middle of the tablecloth. You can also use any design for your lights. Like I said, I'm just using every item that I already have on hand. So I am using my leaf battery operated lights. Okay, so next I'm taking my mini assorted pumpkins and I am just going to add them around the leaf lights. I have some that are fabric, and then there's others that are just like a twine material. So I'll just add those onto the top of the tablecloth between the lights. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just taking some faux flowers that I had cut ahead of time, and I'm just placing them throughout the table. Okay, so next what we're going to do is create the centerpiece. So I'm taking my faux flowers and I am reusing a glass jar and placing them on the inside of the jar. Then I will just place it down onto a wood pallet. It's a mini pallet that I put in the middle of my table. So I'll just place that there. And then after placing that there, I have another glass jar that I will be placing a few of my, I had some extra faux flowers that I'm just placing on the inside of that jar. And then I will just place that onto the table as well. Okay, so I'm just going to add my Hello Fall sign in front of my faux flower centerpiece. And once I have done that, I will then I have these little squirrel salt shakers, salt and pepper shakers, and I picked these up at my local Dollar Tree. I just think they're adorable. I'll just go ahead and add those onto the table to finish off the design. And that's it. Thank you all so much for joining me as I ran you through how I decorated my table for autumn. I hope you have enjoyed this cozy autumn tablescape, and I will see you soon.